back to the show. How's it going? Good morning, or good evening. I see the Asia session was quite something, right? Wow. Dominic, hello there. Peter, good morning. Green, what's up? Marlo Legacy in the flash, the man himself. Good to see you, man. Curry Fishbowl, hello. George Caravillas, welcome. Good morning to everybody. Kev, good morning. Yeah, so I just looked at the Asia session. I was like, wow, what was happening here? Quite amazing. Quite amazing. NQ definitely showed some moves, and now it seems like it might want to sweep that Asia low. Just not too far, like 30 points down. Anybody wants to go for it, it's up to you. It might go. Who knows? Anyway, how's everybody doing on this beautiful morning or evening? Frequency, I wish you the best too. Thank you so much. What a day, what a day. You know, yesterday you took short after 10 a.m. Oh, I see. Oh, 77, that's good. That's amazing. That's very, very good. Dominic, congratulations. Extremely good. Very good result. Oh, sorry, that was not Dominic. Sorry, that was frequency. I'm still sleeping. Yesterday I took short on 10 a.m. Frequency, congratulations. Top, listen, from being the top 100 is still very good. It's very good. Good job, man. Very, very good job. So, what is going on in the markets today, or this evening, or this morning? I can see that there was quite a bit of a drop. I also saw that that Bitcoin was dropping a little bit. So, you know, what's up with that? Hold on, I have to refresh the connections here. Peter Hovens, good morning. Next time you go, I know you will. Sergio, hello, good morning. Listen, 2,000 is more than enough, man. 2,000 should be enough. It should be enough. Anyway. Trying to figure out what to do here. Just a second. NQ is ending, everyone. Yeah, it seems like NQ is on a mission or something. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out here. Like, should I do something about it or just leave it be? But anyway, it is on a mission. It's on a quest. NQ is on a quest right now. All right. I'm gonna disable the camera just because I'm eating my breakfast. So I'm just eating my breakfast here. Don't worry. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm just eating. It seems like it wants to go lower. Amazing. Wow. Hey, Camille, welcome. Dahit, hello, good morning. The Lucid 25K is a good choice, I think. There you go, NQ took it. All right. Next is gold. Gold should be taking it. What's happening on the higher time frames? Okay. All right. Sam Owen, good morning. Sorry, I'm just eating my breakfast. I'll be finished in a minute. Good morning, Sam. Yes, that's Funded Futures Network. Buy one, get one free. There's the link right there. Streamlabs just posted it. Buy one, get one free. You can read about it there. They still have the promo. It's a good deal. Mr. Brian. Hey, Kevin. Guys, I'm just eating the breakfast. I'm finishing up in a moment. Boom Banana, hello, good morning. Thank you. I'm eating cereals. Captain Crunch, yes. I'm gonna get Carl next to my place. He's gonna be co-hosting the stream. All right. All right, we're here. Okay, we're back. We're back. So now NQ finally took that low. Now we can think what to do, right? Now it's time. Now it's time to see. Oh, it's just regular, nothing special. I wanted to have something else, but I didn't have the time to prepare a proper breakfast. So now that NQ took the low, what's next, right? In terms of levels, this would be interesting. Paul, good morning. Hello, good to see you, Paul. Yeah, so it took the low. What's it gonna do? You know, technically, this up here, these two bullish candles on the 5 minute, this is actually a supply zone, not not an absolutely 5-star version. 5-minute supply. 5-minute supply zone right there. Okay. Are we going there? It seems like we are. Opening up this candle is 707.75. Okay. Okay, so that would be a possible target on the 1 minute if we can invert this gap. Yeah, I don't see it exactly just like you said, Camille. So it's not such an aggressive bounce here. It's actually a little bit of a lazy bounce. We got to check the higher time frames. Let's go to the minutes cleaner. I don't have anything on it. You know, it feels like it can go lower. Look at this. Huh. Let's check the 4-hour. Wow. Okay. You know what? It does feel like this just wants to go lower. $410. And then who knows on the daily. You know, we had this candle here on October 10. What was this? A daily candle. 1,000 points. What if this is it? What if this wants to go lower? I feel like it does. Trade Delicious, hello, good morning, welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It kind of feels like that it wants to go lower, to be honest. That it still wants to go lower. I don't know. I don't know. Just gives me that kind of impression. Yeah, it's not looking. Yeah, if it's not going to have a strong displacement. Actually, hold on. There's a 1 minute. There's a 1 minute supply zone here. How did I not see this? Do I want to scalp this? Maybe I want to. Just a small scalp. I don't know. But yeah, it does not feel like we are ready for a huge shift here to the upside. At least not yet. I was expecting more. I was definitely expecting more. Hey, Philcus, welcome. Hey, I am always fresh. Just trying to look fresh, actually. Thank you. 1,500 across 4. Congratulations, Caleb. That's amazing, man. Wow. That's awesome. Facelit, good morning. Another, yes, exactly. Another lesson from the market. We'll see what happens. Randall, hey. I think it will be some kind of a bounce every time. Yeah, could be. I mean, if this is a bounce, it still has some room to go, but it's just, you know, it's not strong enough. It's still kind of weak. Really hard to decide what to do here. But anyway, Interesting. Interesting. I don't know. Yannick, hello. Enjoy freedom. Welcome. Good morning. It's kind of hard to imagine what it wants to do right now. Feels like a continuation, maybe. Is on the way. Not sure. If I look at the 15-minute chart, it feels like it just wants to fall from the cliff here. Wow, amazing! Look at that. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not trusting the bullish signs. I mean, there is none. But if there would be, I would not be trusting any bullish setup right now until we're not shifting higher than 665-ish area. No, thank you. Peter Thiel guy sold off his Nvidia shares. They didn't even wait for earning. Wow. Okay. Is that the AI bubble that's happening? I keep reading all about it. I don't know. Tired of disconnections. Oh my gosh. I don't know why it kind of happens. Hikari, hello, good morning. I mean, there was some issues with Project X, but I don't know. Oh, look at that. Gold is making its way a little bit higher after the sweep. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yesterday PM session drop on gold. 5-minute chart. Wow. I love this. Oh my gosh, look at this level. Wow, it doesn't get any better than this. I'm not saying now it's gonna go there, but it's an absolute textbook supply zone. I really like it. I'm me likey. No, I'm not gonna speak like Jar Jar Binks. 4059. 5-minute supply zone. By the way, the biggest mistake they could have done against Star Wars, I'm sorry to say this, is Jar Jar Binks. That was the biggest massacre against the franchise. I mean, I'm sorry. I did hear that the actor who played Jar Jar Binks received a lot of death threats and everything, but let's just face it, biggest mistake. $27 disconnections. Oh my gosh. 150k aqua mode fee 500. Wow, nice. That's good. Past 2 accounts and liquidator. I bought it with promo code. Why they do ask me to payment? You have to wait until business hours, Hikari. Wait until business hours until you see the activation credit. Or if you go to pay the activation fee, because it's automated, you know, if you go to pay the activation fee, scroll down and you will see the activation credit in your credit bank. I don't know when you pass the account. Depends when you passed it. If you passed it yesterday, then wait until after 6 a.m. Eastern Standard or New York business hours, and you will see the activation credit in your credit bank. And you have to use that for activation, not paying 130. There is an automated email. Yesterday just got the email. Okay, so if you go to activate your account, and if you scroll down, when you have to choose your payment method, like debit card, credit card, or wallet, or whatever, you scroll down, you should see credit bank, and you should see your credits there to activate. If you don't see it there, you have to contact support, and they are going to put it there manually. It happened before. You don't see any credit. Okay, you need to contact support. They are going to put it there. They will put it there manually. But if you go to the checkout page, and if you don't see it, I mean, yes, that's when you have to contact support, and they are going to put it there manually. It happened multiple times in the past, not once with me too, actually twice. Once for sure, but we know that it kind of happens sometimes. TOMSABO, I got DC. Oh my gosh. Oh no, Zacromonster, come on, man. Gym or no gym today? Today no. Tomorrow morning there will be a gym, early morning. So yeah, going to the gym, baby. Ollie, welcome. Good morning, Mahavir. Hello. Took first Lucid on your code. Oh, let's congratulations, and you're good. And you know, thank you for the support and good luck with the account. Awesome. Thank you for the support, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, so sometimes exactly what Dagon Poker says. Sometimes it appears after 24 hours or something like that. Yeah, you might have to wait for a little bit, for a while there, Hikari. Support is not so fast on that one, but they should be adding it manually. The best possible way to contact support is during New York business hours. At these hours, right now, the support is a little bit slower than usual. But during New York business hours, you should be able to get an agent in like 10 or 20 minutes on chat. It's still slow, I know, but yeah, so if you passed it on Friday, you should be having it yesterday. I mean, anyway, you're gonna have it. I'm sure that you're gonna have it after 6 a.m. Eastern Standard today. It's gonna be on your account. If not, they're going to add it manually. Yeah, Hikari, yes. I passed it in one. What is happening on NQ, by the way? I passed it in one day, by the way. That was amazing. I never tried Aqua. I never tried it. Hey, businessless, I'm in long after it took previous low. Yeah, that's it. That was a good idea. That was a good idea. And now we are in the scenario of might be pushing higher. Okay. Okay, let's see what's happening. There's not too far to go for it until 707. I might even jump into a long position here. Should I jump in or should... Okay, it's too late. Maybe for a scalp. $7.05 jumped into a scalp, but it's too late anyway. I'm gonna add a little bit more to it as it goes lower. How could I miss this? I was so sure that there will be a pullback here, but it's not happening yet. Yeah, you passed. I passed Lucid Trading in one. There's a 1 day pass. 1 day pass. Actually, it was live on stream on Friday. Friday London session here on the stream. I passed 2 Lucid accounts live. Was it Friday? I think it was Friday. Yeah, with 2 trade. I mean, 1 trade, 1 single trade, but not full porting. Yeah. Good morning, Albert. Hello. 719. That's a good target. Let's see if we're gonna have a proper pullback on the 1 minute here. Dun, 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 dun. Bit of a pullback here. You know, there's that 5-minute supply zone. I think it should go there. But who am I to tell? Anyway, on gold, we don't see a level. Actually, we do. It's not a best one, but it is a level. And yeah, let's see. Right here. Five-minute supply zone. Okay. All right, 5-minute supply zone. I don't know. And NQ right now is picking up liquidity from the 3-minute and the 1-minute chart. So I'm in this scalp trade with 4 micros. With a bit of a negative risk to reward here. I thought that we're gonna go for this 5-minute supply zone, at least to tag that level. Would have been nice. Breakfast coffee made? Let's go. I need the coffee still, so I need that coffee. I need to go that. Take care of that. So if I just dropped to the 200 ranking, I don't know. 200 and 1 to 400 ranking. You mean on the TRADEIFY Cup? I sometimes I drink tea. I like tea, by the way. My favorite is Earl Grey. I love Earl Grey tea. The good old classic, you know. Yeah, the cup. I don't know how many traders got there. You too? Let's go. Hey Art, what's up? Earl Grey, I love it. I was drinking it when I was a kid as well. It has some, I mean, it has caffeine in it, right? Anyway, I know it has something. Okay, so markets are still down. Kind of normal. Irish coffee is a good start. Oh yeah, it is. Yes, Vilkos. That's your favorite. Nice. A lot of caffeine. Yeah. Okay. We say caffeine. Anyway. Let's wait and see of what happens here. I'm not really trusting. I mean, this here feels quite fragile here. If it fails this 663, you know what? I'm just gonna pull this here. Because if it fails that level, that 661, I don't want to hold this trade because it's a scalp. So I'm okay with it. Perfectly fine. Let's see, this is the only one here. I'm not even copy trading this because... What the heck? Because I think that it's very dangerous right now. It's very dangerous. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Is this because the market makers are watching the stream or what? Anyway. Oh, there you go. Okay, back to the supply zone now. Okay, but now, what's next? What is going to happen, you know? What is going to happen? We have a 5-minute zone on gold as well. Okay, the high of this zone is 747.75. Really amazing. Okay, that's not a zone. It's pretty much it. Took the same trade. Let's go, Ikari. Okay. Going higher. Going higher. TP hit. Let's go, Randall. Congratulations. Yeah, no entry here. Here there is no entry. And by the way, since we're all here and I'm super happy for everybody, can you guys please help out the channel and the stream by smashing the like button? Thank you so much. I would appreciate it very much if you guys can help out the channel by smashing the like. Thank you very much. Smash that like. We want to show that we are having a great London stream here and hopefully attract more viewers. Thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, Apex is not 70%. Apex Trader is, how much is it right now? Oh, 80%. Apex is 80%. Wow, okay. Apex is 80%. Wow, okay. Let me check the... I think Bulenox went to 85% or something. I gotta check that too. Bulenox back to 85%. I have to update the banners and the links here. Everything just changed. Let's see. What is going on? Apex. Where's the current promo? Okay. Anyway, Apex is 80%. That's good. I'm gonna buy some. One day pass. Okay. And Bully is, oh, the option 2 accounts are also 85%, I think. The option 2 accounts at Bulenox. Gotta check it. Which is good because it's end of day trailing, right? Yeah, 85% on option 1 and option 2 accounts. Wow, okay. That's an amazing deal. 85%. Option 1 and option 2 accounts. All right, that's good. Funding ticks, I don't know. I have to update the stuff here. Okay. The buy one get one free. Okay, we have that. 4% off Lucid. Okay. Okay. We have everything. Like Smash, thank you so much. And use flying. I don't know why. It should be going through the 729. I don't know. It doesn't say how much is the activation fee. Last time they went down to $40, but it was 85 too. So it can be anywhere between, like, I would say $85 or $140 lifetime, or a monthly $80 or 85. We don't know. It doesn't say currently. It could be 85. It could be 140. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out too. I'm trying to search online, like how much, because the website says 80% off, but I don't know how much is this current activation fee, because they're always changing it. Always when there is a promo, there's always something different with the last time they did the $40 activation, so I don't know. Wow, that was very cheap, Fizzlid. Bulenox is $148 for option 2 accounts too. So so right now the option 2 accounts are really on a good sale, end of day trailing, but there is a daily loss limit, which is, I think, $1,200 soft breach. So it's not a hard breach. You can continue the next day. So I think it's a really good price for the Bulenox option 2 accounts, by the way. Oh, there you go, Bowser, thank you. $40 lifetime activation at Apex. Thank you for noticing us. Bulenox 50k end of day. This video. Wow, yeah, $26 for an end of day trading account, everybody, at Bulenox. So not intraday, but end of day trading account. $26. Upfront cost. Yeah, I know there's an activation fee of 148. I know, but still, that's like, wow, that's an amazingly cheap price for it. Yeah, we'll see how long they're going to leave that activation fee at Apex, but still a good price. Let's see. I have to take off the Bulenox banner and add another one. Bulenox. Do I have an 85%? Anyway. Gold is pumping. Oh, wow. Yes, it is. Look at that. We have that 5-minute supply zone. It could be going up there. Let's wait for a pullback. They'll never trade with Apex. Yeah. What the Apex road? I really don't. Yeah. Look at the what is going on. That's very good price, Dragon Poker. Yeah, gold is on steroid right now. I don't know what's going on. Feel like it wants to go higher. I might jump in just for fun. You know, why not? TP at 20. Yeah, I jumped in with a small, very, very small position. On gold. Just to see how it goes. I took a long here. Doesn't really matter. I'm actually curious if it's going to go back up there to that supply zone. Jaspreet, hello. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Going gold 4,000. I think it can. It definitely can go lower. So here's my trade on gold. But that's only on gold. We'll see if it goes. That is a very good profit goal, Dominic. $1,000 per week is absolutely great. And if you really think about it, that's absolutely doable with micros. Oh, come on, gold. It's playing the mind game here. dun. What is going on? Gold is not going yet. And NQ is stuck here. Any ideas on long-term investment? Yes, real estate. Real estate. Long-term real estate. You could buy also farmland. So not just like buildings, but lands. Here in Hungary, my absolute long-term investment and my retirement plan is real estate, apartments and rental. So real estate for rental. I'm gonna channel all my money to real estate. Not now, but in the long run, I'm gonna channel everything to real estate. Yeah, I understand the RX, yes, but also for land, I can get some very good, you know, backup. I don't know how to say it. Hold on. State aid. I can get a lot of state aid if I have farmlands, and I can rent it out to farmers, and I can get a lot of state aid to maintain that land. And it's a very, very lucrative and great business in the European Union, not just here. But anyway, regardless, I think I'm definitely channeling everything, not to the bank, not to buy stocks. I know if I buy stocks, I could be a billionaire. I know, but I don't care. I'm going to channel everything to real estate and, you know, lands. That's it. Rental, maybe commercial apartment, commercial real estate as well. Who knows? I don't know. Yeah, exactly. Satish, hello. Don't worry about it. You're not late. All is good. All is good. Well, not the regular apartment, but anyway, it's not. I know it's not the safest because there's always going to be issues by renting out apartments. But I do have some ideas for real estate investing. Oh, sorry, Andy. I'm just saying like real estate, basically long term. I'm definitely not keeping my money in stock exchange or whatever. I know it's the big deal, I know, but everybody is going to be a billionaire from the stocks, I know, but I don't care. You need to sleep? Oh my gosh, you're still in the short? I think sleep is more important than just one single trade, so I think you should just close it and go to sleep. That's what I would do. Sleep is super important. Just make billion from trading and done. Yeah, that's also true. You make $1 billion from trading and that's it. That's all you need to do. Super simple. Sleep is for normal people. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay. Sounds interesting, RX. Do you think there's more downside? Yes, I do think there is more downside, but maybe not in this London session. So this is the 15-minute chart. In London session, we can still go just here like sideways, and then New York will maybe bring it lower. So it can happen like this. So that's why we can't be just sitting here in this range for the next 2 hours and nothing is going to happen. But I think there is more downside to this. I think. Try to short. Be careful. There he is here. Have no fear. Hello. Oh my gosh, we have a celebrity in the house. Everybody, keep it together. Behave. Hello. Hey, Thomas. Hello there. Yeah. We'll see what happens. Terry is here. Have no fear. Now we can make some real trades. Do you know how people are investing in ETFs? I don't know. I don't know about that, Andy. Honestly. Yeah, it does look like it's going to range. I mean, the only level it might get through is that 747 up there, the high of the zone, but who knows? Terry, let's make money. Let's make some money. Terry was so fast on that Rapid account at MyFundedFutures. I was like, what? I couldn't even blink. She got the account and, I mean, in like 3 days, she managed to get the payout technically. That's amazing. What is going on, Terry? Why is the alert not going off? What? 10 gifted subs? What? What is going on? 10 gifted subs? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 10 gifted subs to the Winners Club. Oh, Jesus, holy baby Christ. Guys. What the heck? I was just like, whoa, what is this? Terry, ever since I'm streaming since 2022, nobody ever gifted subs. You are the first one gifting subs on the channel. That's why I was like, where's the alert? Oh my gosh. 10 gifted subs. Oh my god. Terry, thank you so much, but that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh my god. Terry, you are special, but now I feel the pressure now. We have so many new members in the Winners Club. The pressure is, you know, the desk is rising right now. Oh my god, I can't even concentrate. I lost it, guys. I don't know. What's with my gold trade? I don't know. Gold trade is still on. Terry. Oh, hold on. Let me get my act together here. Oof. Yes, we got Terry got gifted subs here every 10 gift. Oh my gosh. That is wow. I mean, I can't say anything more. I gotta drop some tears. Thank you. Really, this is wow. Okay. And this is the first time ever in the history of this channel and in my streaming career here that we got gifted subs. Oh my god. I'm losing my cool, you know, next to the ladies. Oh my gosh. The winner's circle. SB using your code. Yeah. Thank you. The code is the same, TOMSABO up there if you want to use it. Thank you. Or you used it. Whatever. Even if you're just considering. But anyway, thank you for the support. Wow. I can't concentrate. I mean, this was amazing. What is happening on NQ? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Terry, what? By the way, how are you up so early? It's almost in the middle of the night. If you want to come up to the stream, let me know. I'll send you the link. Cut this short. Oh. Past 3 rapid add-ons. Oh my gosh. Wow. She's killing it. She's like... What are you doing there? Is this still the inside bar thing from Pine Tree Trader? This is wow. By the way, yesterday, that trade that we took on that inside bar, it missed my stop loss with like 1 point or something, and then it went to my TP. By the way, I forgot to say because Ash was taking over then, but the trade was hitting the TP, by the way, because I was leaving a little bit more stop loss there, so my stop loss a few points higher, and it just missed my stop loss with like 1 point, I think. But I left it there and it hit the TP. Slept early. Let's go. Oh, you keeping up? All right. Terry, she's not sleeping anymore. She's not. I am totally mesmerized right now with these gifted subs. Wow. Thank you. Hello, Smoke Trades. What's up? Good morning, Farhad. Hey, Farhad, welcome. Everybody, by the way, Farhad is an OG viewer. He's here technically almost every single morning since the beginning. So Farhad, good morning. Yeah, it seems like bears are finally doing something, but still not enough. I know, right? You understand how I feel. What a morning. Dedicated. We are dedicated. Exactly. So hold on. Hold your horses. I think there is something I forgot to. Okay, never mind. Just checking something here. Okay, all good. So, what's up with gold? It's kind of going sideways. Maybe my trade is not going to turn out well. I don't like this. I mean, there is a level up there, but Eh. So, we're still under the magical vibes that Terry just gifted 10 subs on the channel, and now we totally lost track of what's going on in the market. We should be breaking through that 747. Come on. That's a beautiful buy side there. Just, you know, get rid of that zone completely. That would be nice. What's the rule of 25k Lucid Pro? Nah, nothing special, basically. There's a daily loss limit, I think, and I think you can't trade the major news, or can you? I don't know. There you go. Now it's gonna go for it. So it's actually very simple. You just need to build up the safety net. That's it. I think there is a 35% consistency rule. Basically, that's what you need to look for. So many different rules, different props. Exactly. Pre-New York session stream. How much daily loss limit? I think on the 25k it's somewhere around 800, maybe 750. I don't know. News trading is allowed. Thank you. Hey, Son of Wall Street, welcome. I think I'll have to check the 25k. Just a second. I have to go to the website, you know, and let's see. Yeah, maximum loss limit, sorry, is $1,000. But what's the daily loss? Oh, there is no daily loss limit. Sorry, on the 25k there is no daily loss limit. There is only a maximum loss limit of $1,000. That's it. No daily loss limit. Okay. Profit target is $1,250, which is wow. So no daily loss limit on Lucid. I'm sorry. Yeah. My Discord. Yeah, let me just put it there. Discord is still under maintenance, but I can actually get the invite link. Just a second. So I'm just putting it up front that the Discord is still under maintenance. Okay. We still need a lot of things to be refurbished and be done. But you know, it's coming. So here's the Discord invite link if any one of you guys would like to join. But it's still, like, you know, as I said, it's under refurbishment, so there's a lot to be done right now. Yeah, you can there's the Discord link up there, and I'm there if anyone wants to, you know, join. Alrighty. All right, I see you guys there. Let me just make myself logged in. Hello, everybody. Just a second. All right. Oh, look at gold. I think we hit the TP. Almost. Oh my gosh, look at that. Almost hitting the TP. Come on, it needs to go there. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Just hit it. Just hit it, man. Go. All right, finally arriving to that 5-minute supply zone. Boom. Hello. 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 Going through. Okay. I'm stopping now. So, what else is there? Okay, gold is going through. That's 2 winners for London session. We should stop here. We should stop at the London session now. Let's go. TP hit 1260. Wow. You guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. Ah, Mixon, I see your message. Oh, congratulations. Completing the scale. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, yes, yes. I see your certificate. Let's share it with the community here. Look at that. Congratulations for passing. That is great. Good job there. Absolutely good job there. Congratulations. All right. NQ still going higher. Romeo, free longs. Yeah, it seems like it. Actually, now that gold has actually destroyed the zone here, I'm kind of curious what's going to happen now. What's going to happen now? Is it turning around? It seems like gold is turning around. I have to check my super magical indicators from the future. Okay, going higher. Man, did I just miss the long opportunity here on gold? Did I? Maybe I did. Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay, so the thing is, I do test these indicators from time to time, and it seems to me that I just had a long position signal. $940. Okay. Just a second. Just a second. I'm checking something on my indicators. I'll be with you guys in a second. I just want to see what's happening here. Okay. 35. Just a second, just a second. On 32. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. Okay, I think so. The indicators that I'm using are telling me that this one is going to go higher a little bit, which is, I don't see the reason why, really. So there's a bit of a contradiction in my end, but we'll see. Oh, you received your TPT credits. Nice, 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 nice. Congrats. How many hours you backtest per week? Nowadays I'm not really backtesting too much, to be honest, York. I'm backtesting, but like I'm backtesting every single day, to be honest. When the day is ending up, I look back, you know, usually after market hours, I just scroll back the charts and I'm trying to notice like what were the setups that I were missing, what were the setups that I was taking, what were the ones that were working out, you know, and stuff like that. So I'm kind of doing it now every single day, but it only takes a few minutes just to see, okay, what did I miss? What did I do right? So when I was not having these many accounts and I was not trading in this volume, and I was kind of like in the beginning of the journey, I was doing a lot of back testing, like mostly on the weekends, and I was scrolling back the charts, and I was using back testing software too. So I quite a few hours what I did over the weekends. Nowadays I just simplify it. You know, when the day ends, I just scroll back to the actual day and I just check the time frames, like, okay, what did I miss? How did this setup played out again? Even if I didn't take any single trade, I just review the day, like, okay, what happened here? What happened there? And, you know, basically that's it. So it's not just, it's not technically, I would say nowadays it's not technically back testing. I would say it's just reviewing the market, because I know what are the levels that I'm looking for throughout the day. And you know, when the day ends, I just go back, look at the 5 minute, look at the 3 minute, the 1 minute, now all the time frames, trying to figure out, I'm basically doing a reflection of the day, even if I haven't traded at all. Like, okay, what happened? Let's see. Was there a setup here? Was there a setup there? Okay, there was my setup. Did I take it? No. Okay, no problem. Was that setup a good risk reward ratio? Yes, it was. Was the criteria there? Yes, it was. Okay, so I kind of do a review. It's not like basically back testing what I do now. It's kind of like a review of the day. So yeah. Yeah, it's basically the same what I'm saying. Now here's the alert right now. So look at that. Interesting. The giveaway alert just popped up like 10 minutes after the giveaway. Yeah, look at that. Interesting. There's some delay here with Streamlabs. Congratulations to Hikari for the new membership gifted by Terry. And Art has become a member of the Winners Club. It's a delay. I don't know why. There's a bug with Streamlabs or something, but yeah, this should have popped up. Look at that. Romeo, congratulations. Maybe no, we don't have to test another one. No, it's a Streamlabs thing, but I will figure it out. It's Trading Star has become a member. He will be surprised. What? Is this a new one? What is going on? Terry, hold on, hold on. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It's a new one. What's going on? I can't trade like this. Oh my gosh. Congratulations. No, I'm just joking. Oh my gosh. Terry. I'm not gonna bring my penguin suit. I'm not gonna take. Oh my gosh. Congratulations to the winners. Wow. Oh my god. This is like, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Congratulations to the winners. Oh my god. Yeah, no, don't worry. I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be here. This is amazing. Giveaway bonanza. Giveaway bonanza. Hey AD, what's up? Look at what's happening, AD. We're having a giveaway bonanza. Oh, no, here's the next one. Okay, so look at this. Now, this should be the second one. So now we didn't have to wait for 10 minutes. This is the second one. There was a Streamlabs delay. Okay, this is the second wave. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Everybody. Crazy Chris. Oh man. Terry. Oh yeah, of course. Like I wanted to say like, oh, you shouldn't have, but you know, Terry won the BDH competition, so yeah. It's deductible. Yes, congratulations. Just joking. Terry, you shouldn't have. That's too nice of you. That's very nice of you, really. Oh my gosh. NQ is unstoppable, by the way. It's happening, everybody. It's happening. Wow. It's happening. It is. Terry. She is absolutely, you know, this is wow. This is wow. Oh my gosh, we have so many new members. This is absolutely historic. You have to go to the Brazil steakhouse. Oh, I need to. I love steak. I love steak. You know, I like the idea, Terry, that you said yesterday where we need to rent out a camper and just go and do the stream from a camper and visit all the fancy places around. Thank you so much for, oh my gosh. Everybody, let's go. So many winners. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Terry. This is absolutely a one of a kind event that has never happened before in the stream. Never ever happened before. Yeah, we had a long trade on gold and I had a long trade on NQ earlier. For now, I'm just kind of waiting and trying to anticipate of what can be expected here. Yeah. I mean, hold on. Okay, so I'm still trying to wait and see. It seems like the indicators that I'm using are saying that there is a possible long opportunity here. But to be honest, I'm not sure. I mean, the 15 minutes and the 5-minute exponential moving averages are pretty much diverted. So who knows? But in terms of like the classic price action patterns that I'm watching here, I see nothing special going on. So who knows? I'm trying to justify any level up here that we can choose. Let's see, the high here is 41.50, 41.25. Okay, so higher 41.25, 41.50. That's good. So we have a very good 15-minute fair value gap up there. I'm not saying we're going there, but it's definitely a good area. So 15-minute CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency there. If it wants to continue for liquidity, to reach for liquidity, this fair value gap on the 15-minute has not been mitigated yet. So that's at 41 all the way to 69, but it can still go higher. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see. Break even hurts more than break up. No, don't say that, son of Wall Street. It's not that bad. Break even is actually good. It's a winning trade, break even. Don't worry about it. Martin, good morning. Hello. So yeah, we had the London Open, which we totally forgot to talk about, but it happened. This was the London Open here. And now we're kind of waiting for the pre-market open, and it's kind of interesting. I can imagine this one going higher. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so I'm doing an experiment, by the way, on one of my Take Profit Trader evaluation accounts. The experiment is that I am taking 1 micro trades on only given by the signals of this indicator that I already talked about quite a few times. So, you know, you guys familiar with this? This is the one I'm testing since many times now. I actually almost 15 months now. So there is a Take Profit Trader account that I dedicated with 1 micro if we can take it to a payout. So the account currently has open positions, by the way. No, these two. Let me show you. Okay, this is the one here. So currently the account is at $1,020 closed positions. Who knows how the open positions will go. I have a long signal both on NQ and gold, but with one single micro, only using this indicator, nothing else, only strictly by going with the rules of the indicator, I'm going to get this account to pay out. This is just a test account, but don't worry, I'm gonna get it to pay out 100% sure. So this is going to be quite a fun experiment, and strictly entries are based on the indicator, no fundamentals. I mean, it's always best if you can understand the fundamentals, but without understanding the fundamentals, only for leaning on the proper signal that it gives. I'm actually quite curious how long is it going to take us to get it to a payout. This is going to be quite an experiment, I think. Good morning, Nicoloco. Hello there. Don't be surprised, you got a gifted sub from Terry Trades. She's in the house and she was super generous. She gifted 20 gifted subs to our community. 20 gifted subs to the community. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Adam. Yeah, that's going to be a real test. From Greece. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful country, by the way. I always tend to forget Greece is such a beautiful place. So. What? Okay, it can still go, right? We have some levels here as well. High is 886.50. 886.50. Okay, it can still go. Gonna be interesting. Wow, look at the gold trade going. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Costco. Exactly. The Winners Club. You know, I was thinking about a cool fantasy name, but you know what? Let's just keep it simple. The Winners Club. How cool is that, you know? Oh, come on, hit that TP already. We are smashing it this morning. We are absolutely destroying it this morning. Let's go. 3 trades, 3 winners so far. What the heck is going on, right? Oh, now we got an email, I think, from... Okay. So it says 80% off any evaluation. Okay. $40. Oh my gosh. Lifetime PA fees. $40. All size. Okay. So Apex went down to $40 lifetime activation. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna have to update that. Okay, $80 one day pass. Sorry, 80% one day pass. $40 plus $40 activation. So $40 lifetime activation. Okay. Terry was so nice for doing this. She was absolutely so nice. Look at that. We're going to that 15-minute CB up there. Wow. That's amazing. Mark is not going with Apex. I'm sorry. Yeah. I know some of you guys love Apex. Look at that. We're going for that 15-minute CB. What is happening? I need to grab a few accounts for later. Wow, I do feel like I should have taken a heavy position on this one as we're approaching that level. Look at it go. Unbelievable, but it's going. Oh, I understand, Hikari. Yeah, when I look at this, wow. And you know what? There's another level up there on the 5-minute. I'm not gonna chase this one now. Up there. Amazing. Yeah. How many accounts can I copy trade with Lucid? I think you can copy trade. You can have like 10 accounts, I think. So you can copy trade all of them if you want to. Yeah, I know, AD. Yeah. 5? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's the funded accounts. Yeah. But you can have 10 accounts overall, right? With evaluations and fundeds. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. But you can copy trade all of them if you want to, right? Yeah. What a day. What a day. Absolutely amazing. This rally is something I was not expecting. I mean, I wasn't expecting this kind of move from NQ. You know, as we were here after 2 a.m., someone would have told me like, hey, we're gonna go up to the 800s. I would have said, no, we're not going. And look at that, we're up there. It's, I don't know what's happening anymore. It still should be going higher, by the way. I think. With this momentum and having those levels up there, who knows? Nora just got in. Did you take any trades? Yes, we had 3 trades and 3 winners. 3 trades, 3 winners. Quite amazing. Up 4K on your Lucid. Oh, Hikari. That is amazing. 5-minute unicorn at the bottom. Let's see. Lower low. Not particularly. So for the kind of unicorn that you might be referring to for Ash, I mean, in terms of Ash trades is doing it. This is not exactly because we would have needed higher highs in terms like a bullish breaker, but instead we are having lower highs. And I understand that, well, actually, I don't know. We had lower low here, higher low. I thought that we need to break. Anyway, let me just zoom in. Let me just rephrase it again. We have a low. We have a lower low here. We have a lower high. Interesting. I don't know. I don't think it's a perfect unicorn setup here. I would have preferred to have a higher high above this previous one. But anyway, it actually looks good. To be honest, it actually looks good because if we're looking at this swing point here, then this move actually is a bullish breaker, sorta like a bullish breaker. On the 5-minute, let's check it on the 10-minute chart. I never used the 10-minute chart, by the way, but so it's still here. You see, there's a swing point. So yeah, technically speaking, yeah. Or if we say that this is the breakaway gap, and we go to the 3-minute here, and we have this fair value gap as an entry, then you know what? It's actually not bad. I don't know. It's not my department to validate if this one is the perfect unicorn setup. But if you're looking to filter out your trade anywhere between the 1 and the 5-minute chart to justify an I'm not saying A++ entry, but definitely a good entry, then you know this is a good one, especially because we have some good targets on the upside, right? So Yeah, why not? If this would be my absolute entry model, which I'm not saying I never trying to enter like this, but my go-to bread and butter, then maybe I would have taken the trade based on this analogy here that we just seeing here. I think, yeah. So that's good. I haven't really checked it on the 3 minutes, so I totally missed this setup here. I mean, the way like it is down there. I think we took the long like somewhere down here earlier up to that zone. But anyway, it looks good. Actually, thank you for letting us know, because I think it's good. Okay, NQ is coming back down from that CB. Exactly, Camille, exactly. 881. We'll see. So now we're having a pullback here. Is this going to be a pullback or not? If this is going to invert this fair value gap here, then the bulls are going to be in trouble. Okay, coming back down into this fair value gap. Oops. What is going on? Again, if we're gonna have a down close candle, that's gonna be trouble. Oops. My charger. Need to charge my phone. Need to charge my phone. Let's see if this one is gonna hold it or not. So yeah. Okay, still holding it. Not looking really good. All right. Thank you for joining us, AD. Have a good day. Wurzel, hello. I took a long on London Orb. Okay, we're nice. Nice. Stop at 775. Okay. I'm still kind of waiting to see what's going to happen here. Satish, hello. Quantum indices traders, what's up? Looking very good. Oh, sorry, it's you, Randall. My God, for a minute there, I wasn't noticing the avatars. I'm sorry. It's, you know, it's basically because I'm still sleeping. I'm still kind of sleeping. I was playing video games late night, by the way. I have to apologize to you guys. I got hooked up onto a video game. Last time this happened was back in 2018 and 19. I do like play video games sometimes because that's kind of cool, but now I'm so much hooked up into a game, I just can't stop. So I should stop. I'm getting old. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Randall. It's you know, let's just, you know. Yeah, I'm in Arc Raiders. I'm in Arc Raiders so much. I'm absolutely down to the deepest levels of Arc Raiders. I just can't stop that game. I think it's the best game in the past couple of years for sure. I just love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. There's no, you know what I love most about Arc Raiders is that you can play that game in like in so many different ways. You decide what you want to do. Basically, you can play that in so many variations and ways, and then you know, you decide your path throughout the whole. Anyway, I mean, I like that. I mean, anyway, let's play Fortnite. OG skins coming soon. Wow, last time I played Fortnite was like, I don't know how many years ago. Yes, exactly. Levy, what I hate the most, and that this happened yesterday, I mean last night when I was playing, I was having one of my best gears, and it happened. I mean, I was going on to a raid with some very good gear, like good weapons and good stuff and everything. And some sneaky players were camping at the bushes or behind the door and everywhere. And they just, you know, sneak upon me and just kill me like that. And I was having very good loot on my on me, very good gear. Everything was really good. I was on a quest as well, and that player just sneaks upon me and just shoots me in the back. And by the time you know it and try to recharge, that person has some good weapon or something, I don't know, some good angle on you because it's TPP, and that person is gonna sneak up on your back and shoot you. And they're camping these places. And it happened to me like 3 times last night. Like, I'm going with good gear, good stuff, good loot, everything is great. And there's always someone who is camping in the bush or behind the door or somewhere and shoots me in the back. I hate that so much. But that's the price of TPP games. Everybody's kissing the wall and waiting for the other player to show up to kill him or her. So everybody's hugging the wall in TPP. Everybody. No, sorry, it's a game. Yeah, exactly. Campers. Are you expecting a bounce off that fair value gap? Well, honestly, it would be great to see it go higher. It would be great to see it go higher, to be honest. If this fair value gap is not going to hold, and if we have down close candle below 772, then that's trouble. So if I would be having a long position here, I would be exiting that long position if we would be having down close candles below 772. So am I expecting a bounce? Yes, I'm expecting sort of like a continuation higher. To be honest, I like to see price go as near as possible to the 900 level. But that's only based on indicators that I looking at my other screen. So as for short positions, I'm not looking for a short here, at least not yet. So the market is bearish. The big picture is definitely shows us that it's bearish. Yeah. Yeah, so you can use these levels as possible entry points, but the way I trade, I'm not using these levels as entry points. I'm using them as targets. So I'm using these liquidity areas as targets. I kind of got the same question a few times, like, hey, why are you not entering here? Because I'm kind of like reverse engineering the process. So these levels I consider, and most likely the zones, you know, guys, the zones are my big thing. If I see these levels, as I said, mostly zones, that's the draw on liquidity. That's what I consider a possible draw on liquidity. So the only thing I do is I try to anticipate that the price is going to go in that direction. And as I anticipate that, the only thing I'm looking for is a possible pullback or retracement to a fair value gap. That's it, nothing more. Keep it stupid simple, or super simple. KISS strategy. Keep it stupid simple. I mean, the indicators I was mentioning earlier, those are still under testing, and it's only on MetaTrader 5 yet because it's custom coded. It's exponential moving averages combined with fractals and zigzag. I know, zigzag indicator and fractals, but it's exponential moving averages with a bit of a custom code there. And it's only on MetaTrader, as you can see it. This is MetaTrader 5. The guy who is customizing it said that he's having some trouble putting it to TradingView. So for now, and this is real-time data on NQ, for now I am technically the color. I didn't do the colors, okay? So I didn't code the colors on this. But for now, I'm using it on MetaTrader, and I'm testing this since 15 months now. I just said earlier that I'm going to dedicate a Take Profit Trader account to if we can get a payout from that particular account. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Gold went up there. I don't know. We're gonna have the pre-market open in a few seconds, so we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Ten seconds, and we'll see the pre-market open. Here we go. Here we go. Wally Bear, hello. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Have you blown any account lately? Oh, yes. I've blown up my Bulenox funded accounts. I've blown up Apex funded accounts. I've blown up overall 6 funded accounts in the past in the past 2 weeks. 2? Was it 2? Yeah, 2 weeks. In the past 2 weeks, I've blown up 6 funded accounts. Unfortunately. Yeah. My target is 885. It runs top 775. Let's see, Randall. Let's see. Hey, Wally Bear, welcome from MyFundedFutures. I was on the recommended. Okay. Awesome. Thank you for being here. Yeah, I can't wait to be on My Funded TV today. Some good vibes. Yeah, so far it seems like. Yeah, MDC, I think I'm gonna do that. Let's just test it out how it goes, right? And you know. What time are you on My Funded TV? I'm doing the opening segment with Terry and Nick at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. So we are doing the opening segment so far. So yeah, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. So yes, I might do the pre-stream. We'll see. Kind of testing out how it fits better for my schedule. I have some IRL stuff that I need to attend to. Is there a link for My Funded TV? Yeah, sure. Hold on. I can actually post it here. So the link, Randall, is here. That's the My Funded TV link. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything with this NQ right now. The pre-stream was good. Yeah, we had some good setups as well. So who knows? I feel like it can still go higher. This gap is holding nicely, so that's a good sign for the bulls. Soft, nice, Randall. Let's go. I don't know. Feels kind of weird, but you know what? It bounced off from the mid level of that 15-minute CB. I'm not gonna jump in. I decided I'm not gonna jump in. We had 3 trades, all of them winners. That was great. I loved it. It was good. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that's a good target. 885. I would use it as a target too. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to call it here because I am not going to enter another trade. I'm not going to force anything here. Let's see what's the early New York session is going to come up with, and let's just wait for it. Okay, so I'm calling it here. I know it's only 2 hours and 10 minutes in the stream, but hey, it might go down, might go up, but I'm good with the profits. I'm good with the results. I'd like to say thank you so much, everybody, for being here, ladies and gents. Special thanks to Terry. She is like, there she is. She is amazing, gifting 20 memberships. Oh my gosh, amazing. Thank you so much, Terry. You are such a sport. Reminds me of sending you that sport chocolate. I'm gonna send you the address, by the way. So thank you again. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO at any of these platforms, even MyFundedFutures. There's no basic discount, but if you type it in, it gives some credit to the channel, maybe some commission too. I need to fuel up the BMW. Thank you. But really, thank you for supporting. You guys are amazing. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Much love and respect. And again, special thanks to Terry. We love you, Terry. And I'll be at MyFunded TV and New York stream as well. Thanks. God bless you all. Cheers.